In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to create a credit memo with ease. This guide will walk you through every detail you need to know, ensuring you can manage this process without a hitch. Let's get started. First, begin by heading over to QuickBooks. Once you've navigated to the home page, look to the upper left corner for the New button. Clicking this is your first step in creating a credit memo. The New button serves as a starting point for many actions you'll undertake in QuickBooks, so getting comfortable with it is important. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Credit Memo. Selecting this opens a new window where we will input all the relevant information for your credit memo. The Credit Memo option is specifically designed for situations where you need to adjust a previous sale, so it's incredibly useful in maintaining accurate financial records. After selecting Credit Memo, you'll be prompted to click on Customer. Here, choose the customer or client for whom you're creating the credit memo. Selecting the right customer is essential as it ensures the credit memo is accurately linked to your customer's account for seamless record keeping. Following that, click on the Email field. Here you can verify or enter an email address to send the credit memo directly, making it easier to communicate with your customers about any changes to their orders or accounts. Next, focus on the billing address. Input the correct information here, ensuring it matches the customer you've selected. The billing address is critical for accurate record management and ensuring communications are directed correctly. Then, locate and click on the credit memo date. Selecting the appropriate date helps keep your records chronological and organized. It reflects when the credit was issued, which can be important for financial tracking and auditing purposes. Next up, you'll see Credit Memo No. Automatically generated by QuickBooks, this number helps keep your documents uniquely identifiable, facilitating better organization and retrieval when needed. Onwards, select the location of sale. This allows you to allocate the credit memo accurately between different business locations if necessary. It's especially handy if you're operating over various locations or have multiple departments. Then, you'll select Product Service. Selecting the right product or service that the credit applies to ensures your inventory and service records remain accurate and up to date. Now, click on Description. This is where you'll enter any details necessary about the credit memo. This information is crucial for providing context to both you and the customer in the future. Next, you'll want to click on Message Displayed on Credit Memo. This allows you to input any special notes or instructions that need to accompany the credit memo. Doing so offers clarity and can be used to communicate particular details to your customers. Following that, click on Message Displayed on Statement. This message will appear in financial statements and can be used for additional context or instructions linked to this transaction. Next, attach any necessary documents by clicking on Attachments. This could include invoices, returns, or any files relevant to the credit memo, providing comprehensive documentation and enhancing clarity. Finally, click on Save. This final step ensures that all the details you've entered are securely saved in QuickBooks, making your credit memo complete and ready for any further action, such as sending it out to the customer or filing it for your records. With these steps, creating a credit memo in QuickBooks becomes a clear and straightforward process. By following each action closely, you can ensure your financial records remain accurate and professional. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.